So, anong nangyari kanina? Was it a determination of sufficiency in form and substance? Was it? We're not sure because hindi po nangyari yun. Diba? They talked about, what they were talking about was evidence. Yung evidence na yon will be indicative of whether or not there is probable cause. What they needed to do was first determine form and then substance. Meron bang discussion on that? Ayon kay Jill Vesontok, wala. Diba? Paano yun? Ano nangyari? Dito sa next page. Alright. Look at the rules of procedure in the House. See? Makikita natin dyan. Applicability of the rules, etc. Initiating impeachment. Verified for complaint for impeachment, which can be by a member of the House, any citizen, if endorsed by a member, or filed by at least 1/3 of the members of the House. Now look, filing and referral of verified complaint. A verified complaint for impeachment by a member of the House shall be filed with the Office of the SecGen and so on. Okay, let's go to the previous one again. Determination of sufficiency in form and substance. So, first, they had to determine kung tama yung determination of form, tama yung determination of substance. Later on, na pag-uusapan yung evidence. Okay. All right. When are you required to attach evidence? Okay, ito hindi ko nakabit dun sa ating ano. I need to add again to the screen. Sorry. Okay. I need to add to the screen a new one. And it's this one. Hold on. There. Here. Look at section 5. Notice to respondents and time to plead. Hold on. Yeah. Sorry, there you go. First, what happens is there is a complaint, mag-file ng complaint. Kung sufficient informed in substance yan, sasagot yung kalaban. Meaning, in this case, it's Justice Leonen. After the answer, dyan lang mag-a-attach ng evidence. Tingnan nyo dito, sa second paragraph of section 5. Nakalagay doon, within 3 days from receipt of the answer, the complainant may file a reply serving a copy to the respondent who may file a rejoinder. Sagutan yan. Together with their pleadings, the parties shall file their affidavits or counter-affidavits as the case may be with their documentary evidence. Do you see the procedure now? Okay, first, what the committee will do is determine form. Kung tama yung form, verified complaint siya, you look at the substance. Ano yung substance? Kung there is a recital of facts. Ano yung kailangan sa substance? A recital of facts. After that, sufficient inform and substance na siya, pasasagutin ngayon yung respondent, tapos kung pwede, sasagot uli yung complainant, sasagot uli yung respondent. Pag tapos na yung dalawang sagutan na yon, both parties will file their evidence, file their affidavits and whatever documentary evidence. So, kanina, pinag-uusapan nila, what they were talking about was evidence. Diba? Sabi nila, hearsay ito, hearsay. So, paano niyo pag-uusapan yung evidence kung wala pa kayong judgment on sufficiency in form and substance? Okay? So, I hope naiintindihan niyo how important this is. Kasi ang nangyari kanina, as JP had mentioned sa tambayan kanina, is parang dumaan daw yung PNR sa Kongreso. Kasi na-railroad siya. Kasi ito yung proseso ng impeachment. Uulitin po natin. The filing of the complaint is referred to goes to the speaker. Speaker refers to the Committee on Rules. Committee on Rules refers to the Committee on Justice. Committee on Justice makes first a determination of sufficiency in form and substance. Second, asks the respondent to file their answer. And then third, dun palang papafile yung mga evidence nila. What happened kanina was that the hearing opened. Congressman Rufus Rodriguez stood up. He noticed the attachments and said, oh, hearsay ito. What is the hearsay rule? The hearsay rule is an evidentiary rule, meaning na walang value yung isang taong nagkikwento lang sa'yo na narinig niya sa ibang tao. So for example, si A at B, may slap B, so may crime. Paano yung evidence ni B? Ang evidence ni B is si C. Pero nakita ba ni C yung crime? Hindi. Sabi ni C, kinwento ni B sa akin yung pagsampal sa kanya. Now that is hearsay. May exceptions to the hearsay rule, pero in general, a newspaper report is hearsay. Kasi walang personal knowledge yung reporter doon sa pangyayari itself. Nag-interview lang sila ng mga witnesses o ng ibang tao na may personal knowledge. Pero sila mismo, walang personal knowledge. Okay. Pero, bakit pinag-uusapan nila ebidensya? And in fact, nag-move to dismiss sila kasi sinasabi nila walang ebidensya. Tama ba yon? Is that sufficiency in form and substance? No. They could have made a judgment on the sufficiency in form. Tama ba yung form o mali? Was it a verified complaint? It was. Number 2, was it a narration of facts? Kasi kung narration of facts siya, sufficient in substance na siya. Was it? We don't know. But the congressman said, I hearsay yung inattach na evidence. So, ang ruling dito is supposedly to dismiss the complaint. Pero sabi ni Chairman Ching Veloso, Congressman Ching Veloso, babalik lang yan sa SecGen. So, in Congressman Veloso's mind, it was just insufficient in form. Pero imposible yon dahil ang pinag-uusapan ay ebidensya. O, gayon pa man, kahit i-argue pa natin na yung hearsay evidence na yon makes the complaint insufficient in form, pupunta yan sa SecGen. Sabi ni Chairman Veloso, pwede pang habulin sa Secretary General at dagdagan or palitan yung evidence at mag-attach ng additional affidavits. However, according to Jill Risonto, hindi na daw. Ang in-interview niya mga subsequently after the hearing, sinasabi ng mga congressmen, no, this is a dismissal already, the impeachment is dead. Okay, let's look at your questions. Base sinabi ni Jill kanina na report, parang nasa sabungan lang yung mga congressman o kaya mga estudyante na nagbobotohan lang. Sabi ni Manila walkthrough. Ay nako, totoo yan. Palabas lang yan, sabi ni Edward T. Kunwari pananagutin yung Silyonen, sinadyang mahina ang kaso, idagdag ang house rules na lutong Macau, tapos ng drama, pinaglololoko lang tayo. I disagree, Mr. Edward. Kasi ang nag-file ng complaint ay si Attorney Larry Gadon representing a real complainant, in this case, Mr. Ed Cordevilla. So, parang sinasabi ninyo, kasama sa conspiracy si Attorney Larry at si Mr. Ed Cordevilla. At isama na rin natin si Attorney Matt Defensor. I disagree. Hindi po ako nag-agree na ganyan because I felt that they were at the very least sincere about filing their complaint. Tandaan nyo, kinuwento pa nga ni Attorney Larry kung ganong kahirap maghanap ng mga kopya ng SALN ni Justice Leonen. Okay, we interrupt this to say thank you to Ruel Costello for the super chat. Okay. Sabi ni Ma'am Pinay Paparazzi, correct po, yan pong pinagtataka ko. Hindi nasunod ang proseso ng hearing ng impeachment. Sabi na nga pinasukan na naman ng CPP PNR. Si Eugene Agustin sabi niya, uy, kayo talaga. Tinatanong ni Lenny Fermin, so it is all politically motivated? We don't know. We only know what happened here. Baka mamaya malaman natin kung paano nangyari. I mean, kung ano yung mga dahilan nila. Ngayon, may ibang nag-e-express dito, bakit ganon? Si Congressman Marcoleta nag-vote for dismissal. Posible kasing nadala sila sa discussion na, bakit the newspaper clippings lang ito? Well, I guess they have to look back at the rules. So, titignan natin yung resolution later on. Kasi may resolution dapat yan na isasama ng Committee on Justice pag sinoli nila for dismissal itong kaso for impeachment, itong complaint for impeachment.